Hello there and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make simple good resume for yourself and publish it to the internet as a website like this you are seeing here. Uh, to customize this resume for yourself, you just need a basic knowledge about Git and a little bit about web development things. But I'm gonna show you how to make it without knowledge. I'm trying to explain it to you. But if you need any help, I'm here to build this. I'm here to help you to make this resume customized for yourself. So let's start. For the first step, in my GitHub profile, you're gonna see a resume section here. Click on it, and first step, you must to fork this repository to your own GitHub repository. We want to use GitHub pages, and it's necessary to have a GitHub account. I'm gonna fork this in another organization I have in GitHub. I will remove this after this video. Just I'm gonna show you how to make a GitHub page and publish this resume on the GitHub. Okay, create a fork and stay a little to process GitHub. Then after a minute, my repository is ready here. You see, this is my another organization in GitHub, and this is the public resume repository that forked from my account resume repository. So in the code section, you have to clone the repository. If you have GitHub desktop, or if you using GitHub CLI, or you are using Git CLI, and you're using HTTPS or SSH. I'm using SSH to clone the repository, but you have multiple choices to clone this repository in your own system. I'm using SSH. If you are not familiar with SSH, use HTTPS. If you are familiar with GitHub CLI and GitHub GUI, the graphic interface of GitHub, it's good. You can use it. It's simple and easy. Use HTTPS in second step, or GitHub GUI and GitHub CLI. I'm using SSH. So let's clone this. Git clone my resume. First, I have my resume here, and if I clone this, it will be some bad things here. So make another directory, Qadir. YouTube ls. Okay, git clone my resume another time. After success clone, you should to have Node.js, and you will see Node version here. Do not use 17 version. I'm using NVM here, Node Version Manager. You can find NVM and how to use the NVM instead of installation Node.js in your system with binary packages. NVM GitHub, just search NVM GitHub and use the structure to install NVM. I'm gonna use latest version. It is 19 and in Node-v. We are just need Node.js and npm. If you install Node.js version 19 or above, you should to have npm here. Also, you see npm-v. It is here. So let's make it customized. I'm gonna open code here. See the resume, ls node-v code. I'm gonna make sure my Node.js didn't change version there. So after cloning repository, we should to execute npm install and wait a little to install packages for us. After a while, my node module folder is here and I can start my project. Let's make a little bit zoom here and here to better see. And let's start the project. To starting project in development environments, just write npm run develop. You can see list of comments here in package.json. This is a scripts. If you wanna use develop, use develop. Also start running develop here. And we have some configs and structures with deploy and build here. I'm gonna show you in the last part of video. After a while, project will build. There is some warning, but it's not important. You see a little scroll up and you will see localhost 8000 here. I want to copy and open it in my browser. Localhost link address. Okay, 8000 here. Okay, this is my resume in my own machine, and I'm gonna show you how to customize each part of this resume. There is an ability to make multi title resume. See, I'm here backend developer. If I make a full stack here, full stack developer, it's gonna show me the full stack developer of my resume, and you can build multiple resume for yourself with 4 multiple position that you want to apply for. And this is very easy in these templates. For changing the information on the resume, you just need, see, there is a source folder, and in the source folder there is something called templates. No, the template is for resume.js files. You see here we need to change a little bit here for our social and our avatar here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna make this avatar and this social images also dynamic, but for now, if you want to change your avatar, you should to change the avatar, or you want to add more social images here, you must to change a little JavaScript here, but don't afraid, it's very easy. To change the resume sections and text, only things you need to do is in resume folder under the source folder, make or change these files. It's how it works. See, if I made here full stack developer, make front end developer. If I change the title of the file and also change, you see there is a slug here, and also copy the file name without JSON and change the slug like here. I'm able to see front-end developer page here, and I can change this resume file and this details to change my each part of this resume. This is my name. You can choose your name here. This is the title of the title that's shown here. You can put the front end developer here, and this is the contact. Important things about the contact. is there is a value and there is a link. The value will show like this. This is my phone number and this is my email. And if you have address or you want to mention something else, you should to put it here. And you just need to, this is an array. You should to familiar with JSON. If you are not, please search a little about it in web or YouTube about the how JSON works and what the JSON is. You will see the structure is a JSON file. We just need this file to change. And this is easy to change and maintain the JSON. For contact, you have a value and you have a link. If I make value and contact one, this is a link. I'm using tell and mail to, or if you have a website or you want to put something else here, you can copy this and something like this. And a website, my website is https double slash and as you see, my website section is here, and if I click on it, the website will be open. The next section is about social. In social, there is a name and there is a link. What is the name? As I did show to you in the template, we have a resume.js. In the resume, there is a constant named social.js. This is a JavaScript variable, and this is something like array. There's something like key value array here. And you see, I have been import the GitHub from these images. Where is this image? This called get one folder back, then assets, images, github.png. We are in template now. So get a folder back means we should to find the source here. And in source, we have asset folder. In asset folder, we have image. And in image, we have github.png. This is a picture. And if you want to make another, if you want to add another social here, like you want to add your Twitter or Telegram or anything else, it's just need to add your image there with something like, I'm gonna open my folder. In source, in the root of project, on source and assets in images, you just need to change you just need to add another icon here. Where you can find icons, flat icon. You can search for social flat icon. I don't know how we are doing programming in Iran. Every website is restricted, and to access this website, I'm should to use different kind of VPNs to access such a simple website like this. But if you wanna add any icon on your resume in social section, you just need to search for the icon here, like that I want my Twitter account here. Please. It's not gonna work in here. Let's just search for Twitter logo PNG. Sometimes the Google images, but here is, you know, DuckDuckGo. But also this is good, I think. Yes, it's not bad, but this is too high. I need maximum. I need a small image for this. Let's just change here a small. Okay, this is good. It's awesome. Save image into YouTube resume, public, no public, source, assets, img, and no, name it tw.jpg. It's okay, not bad, but this is png. tw.png. Okay, let's see what's happened here. JPG I don't need, and tw.png is here. To add in the project, I just need to copy one of this line and change YouTube to Twitter, and after tw.png here, also add Twitter here, Twitter, and Twitter here. Okay, now I can to add a Twitter section in my profile, just need to use this name. This is key, this is value. I need the key of Twitter and put it on name. Also the link is my Twitter account. What is my Twitter account? Qasemi Javad. Okay. Change the link. This is my Twitter account. If you want to follow me, I will be happy to meet you. And let's see what's happened in our resume. So you see this is the Twitter logo here. It's better to a little bit think and think when you want to choose the logo. This is smaller than others. Use the flat icon will give you, or another icon websites will give you same logo for each social media that you want to put there. This is social. We will skip this. If you need any help here, please tell me. I will be help you. I'm available in Telegram, in YouTube comments, in GitHub issues, or everywhere you want. You can find me. Also, you can email me. Another thing is the skills. About the skill, I made a little change here. In previous version of my resume, I just listed here my technical skills. But for technical skill, I put them in the technology I used in the experience section. And here, this is something like soft skills and what I want to do. The skills is about this. You can change it and put your hard skill here, there, or you can help your brain or ChatGPT to write some soft skills like this. I like this more than just hard skills here, because hard skills are short like PHP, but this is better fit for my resume. Also, the resume has a good, I don't know good because I'm not a front-end developer. I'm just a backend who will suffer every time when want to center things in HTML. But this is not bad version of responsive here. And also I have used Tailwind for making this. If you know what is Tailwind and you know a little bit about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, or web development, you can change the resume, and this is gonna help you, I think. Okay, this is the skills. You can change the skills here. Put your skill here, and you have not any limit to put a skill here. You can use how much you want, but it will not be too much good. I don't know. This is your choice. Another things is another important things is about me section. You can change your about me here, about me text, and it will be showed here. And let's dive to main section of our resume, the experience. Before moving to experience, just let's change this avatar. To change avatar, you have multiple choice. You can change resume here and change this avatar here and import another things here, but make sure that image is in the asset folder, like where we put the Twitter logo there. But also you can here you see this is my me.jpg, this is my avatar, and you can change this image with any image that you want. Just a sample. I don't want a small size. Flower. Oh, this is good. This is very beautiful. I'm gonna save this in just you can just I will save this, and I want to put this image instead of my avatar image. Just need to delete me.jpg here, yes, and rename the image you want to me.jpg, and then refresh your resume, and this is cache. Oh, you need to do something like here. Oh. You need to run npm run develop another time, because we changed the me.js, just the name, and it will, and after it, in here on refresh, you will see the avatar has been changed. Okay, then check the last part and important part, experiences. You see I have multiple experiences here, and there is some section and there is optional section, mean technologies that I used. I've just tried to make my resume like my LinkedIn account. Also, if you have a LinkedIn, I will be happy to connect with you because I'm trying to find a good job. But let's tell you how to customize these sections here. You see, there is a title that have a link to the website or related things to my experience. So in the frontend development.json or your file name, there is a section called experiences. In experiences, there is a title that you can use HTML here. You see, I made this backend development as a strong, and you see backend development is here in strong, at is not strong, and jackvesting.com is also strong, but another part of the text is not strong. So you can do something like this here, and make HTML here like a strong and a tag or everything you want to do here. But I think this is standard, and you can just change and put your text like this. Backend developer, put your things at where you're working for. And another part is URL, that I say this is a URL of Jackrosting, you see here. But I think this will make you confused that what this description is and this responsibilities is. The description is this text, and the responsibilities is all of these ones here. You see, each of these is my responsibilities in Jackrosting. And you could describe more and describe less. If you cannot describe good yourself, I will recommend you to use ChatGPT. It will be help you to write better text. You can just tell him, it is him, or it is her, I don't know. You can just tell to ChatGPT what you want to write and what is in your mind, and it will be recommend you the better text. And you can talk with ChatGPT and tell him or her that the part of the recommended string is not good, and it will be change it for you. So as you see, I can change the description here, and I can change my responsibilities here, responsibility hashtag 1. You see, also you can use HTML here. Revert this for me, please. In the responsibility section, also you can use HTML. If you are familiar with React, I will tell you how to use HTML in description, but this is your choice. You can do it or not. If you see the code in the responsibility section, there is an li list item that have a parameter that dangerous inner HTML here. I made this because this is my static web page, and I will make this as a static web page and put it on GitHub, and the dangerous style is not important for me here. I'm using this. You can use another things there, but you must change it. As you see in the item.description, this is not part of, it is not supporting HTML like this. You can change and put something like here and remove this, but this is as your responsibility, as your wish. I cannot offer you do this or not, but you can do it. As I said, in responsibilities, you can use HTML here like this, like make link to a little bit things that you want to mention in responsibility. Okay, so the last part, the technologies. If you do not make technologies in the JSON of each experience, it will not be shown here. You see these two parts has technologies, but these two parts has not. In technologies, see, also in technologies you can use HTML, mean that if you use something unfamiliar technology, you can make something like here, an ahref here, put it on one single quote, and it will be act like link https docker.com, I don't know it exists or not, but as you see, my Docker here is linked. Here it has link. And yes, also you can use HTML in technologies and add link or a strong or another HTML here. Okay, this is how you can customize this resume. But the last part is about how to deploy the resume. I will cut this off and see the resume. Less lazy git. I will commit all of these things just for YouTube. Okay, so now my GitHub organization URL should be something like this. In the setting, in the pages, I want to deploy from branch. Branch, I should to make gh page here. Okay, first I should to make how to make branch here. Add a file. The branches, new branch, call gh pages, or gh page. Let's see in package.json. This is gh pages. Okay, in branches, gh pages, from the master, create a branch. So in the setting page, setting of your repository, in the pages, you have to see the gh branch is here, and you can publish in a root or not. We should select root here. You can use custom domain here, or you can add something like mesametamar.github.io/resume. This is your username and this is your repository. For now, it will not make anything because we are just forking it and we must do work on it. After you make gh page here and save the settings, and you see something like this at your domain. Okay, I'm talking about putting your resume on the GitHub page. After you see this page and you have been set up this domain for your own GitHub page and resume, your repository, you have to change a little bit on code. In a static folder, I have a CNAME file that it writes my domain. You have to remove this file. And then make another commit, remove CNAME. But if you have your domain, means you see I have resume.geeksessy.ir, but here is the github.io/resume. If you have your domain and you want to attach your domain there, you must do, where is the pages? You must do add your custom domain here, then change that CNAME file and put your domain instead of that. But I just want to put the resume here. we need some another changes. Let's check this out. It's work or not. On the main folder, where you have been run npm run develop, do Ctrl C to break the command and write a new command, name npm run deploy. As I said, you can see the full list of scripts here, and this is a develop command here, and you can change it for yourself. Made this public, and the gh page branch, you have to play with them if you didn't set up like me. But I will run npm run deploy, and let's see what will happen. Also, when it's compiling my deployment, you can search for Gatsby deploy, and this command I've been used is the official command, official package from Gatsby, that you can put your codes on GitHub. As you see, this is published, and we should to come our branches in the action folder. The page is building, and our builder is in progress. There is no change for now. We have to wait a little to this building complete. But you can see this document about how to build, how to deploy your Gatsby on the GitHub pages. As you see, I have been installed the GH page package on the GH page package on my project. And also we have to change a little bit things here. I'm using custom domain in my repository, but you are not using custom domain. And when this building gets complete, you will see here has some problem. If I open the network, you see my JavaScript files and icons get get error message of not found. Not found error message. And to fix this, in document say in GatsbyConfig.js, we have to put pass prefix like this. GatsbyConfig.js, we have to path prefix here. What happened? Expected. Oh, I put it in wrong place. In module.export, in here you have to put pass prefix here, and the repo name is name of your repository like this. This is my resume, and we should to put it. Then call run deploy command again, and wait for successful action here. Oh, I missed something in the document. We have to mention the prefix pass, double dash in package.json. You have to add Gatsby build prefix pass, and run the command again, and wait until success action. After success action, my domain, you'll see this is correct. Where the image goes. I don't know why it's just not working. should be something like resume static. It will be fixed. It's not a problem. It's not a big problem. We can fix this. Or if you need any help, I will come to help you. Another things, you see here is my backend developer again, but we made a front end there. Front end developer. We made change on front end developer, and maybe you want to. Maybe you're not even a backend developer or front end, you're a translator or anything else. To fix this problem, and you see if you enter your main domain, you will be redirect to backend developer, and to redirect in correct page that you want, you have to change source pages index.js and change navigate. You see here is a navigate. You should to change with your wish slug, and my wish slug is a front end developer, where you can find this slug. This slug I said in early stage of video in the resume. This is the front end developer.json, and the slug that we have made here. And if you don't need any of this file, you could just delete it and it is safe until you change this navigate to your special path that you want. Okay, this is the video that I want to talk about this resume and how to customize it for yourself. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to support me, please like and subscribe this video, and if you need any help, you can find me in YouTube comments, Telegram, GitHub, or anywhere else. I will put the resume repository in the description, and please share this video to your friend. Thank you for your watching. Good to see you, and goodbye.